When you've got an armload of groceries or luggage, the optional hands-free sliding doors and liftgate let you open your vehicle without having to fumble for your keys, or even the door handle. There are separate activation zones, one below each of the sliding doors, and one below the center of the liftgate. If equipped with a trailer tow package, you'll find the liftgate's hands-free activation zones on the left and right sides of the receiver. To open either of the hands-free sliding doors or the liftgate, you'll need to have the key fob on your person within 5 feet or 1.5 meters of the door or liftgate handle. Move your foot under the activation zone in a straight, gentle, in and out kicking motion, or use a side-to-side or sweeping motion. The sliding doors or liftgate will power open. Keep in mind, you can turn this feature on and off in your Uconnect settings. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.